Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Lastri Handayani. I'm from Class C Science Education, Padang State University. Here, I will explain an article entitled The Facts of La Nina Phenomenon and its Impact in Indonesia. La Nina or La Nina event is a condition of deviation or anomaly in the sea surface temperature of the central and eastern tropical Pacific Ocean, which is later than normal. Under normal conditions, trade winds blow from east to west along equator because water in the western Pacific is warm and cold in the east. As a result, ocean current and winds occur from cold to hot areas westward. In La Nina condition, the water in the Pacific Ocean along the coast of Chile and Peru becomes colder than usual and makes the current and wind in the Pacific Ocean flowing westward, including Indonesia, even stronger. As a result, water vapor from the Pacific Ocean towards Indonesia has increased. This leads to increased rainfall in Indonesia, and heavy rains and even flooding. La Nina has an impact on increasing rainfall in the western Pacific of Indonesia, part of Southeast Asia and northern Australia, northern Brazil, and part of the west coast of the United States. La Nina causes higher rainfall which increases the potential for hydrometeorological disasters such as floods and landslides, so that residents in La Nina affected areas must mitigate to prevent flooding due to increased rain. To overcome this heavy rain condition, it can be done the construction of water channels and water reservoirs such as reservoir and dam and increase water absorption areas to prevent stagnant water. When it rains heavily, it is necessary to clean the waterways and rivers from garbage, so that the water flow is not clogged, which can cause flooding. The La Nina condition can last from a few months to 2 years. The Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysics Agency has confirmed that the Jakarta, Bogor, Depok, Tangerang, and Bekasi, Jabodetabek areas will experience the impact of the La Nina phenomenon earlier than other areas. A number of regions in Indonesia will be affected by the La Nina phenomenon from November 2020 to January 2021. Areas potential affected by La Nina are Aceh, West Coast North Sumatra, Northern Bangka, Southern Banten, West Java, parts of Central Java, and the special region Southern Yogyakarta. The Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysics Agency appealed to all local government partners and stakeholders as well as the community to remain aware of the impact of La Nina. Head of the Dissemination of Climate and Air Quality Information Division of BMKG, Hari Tirto Jatmiko, said that there is a need for increased awareness and early anticipation in areas that are predicted to experience above normal weather than usual rain season, including Sumatra, Java, including Jabodetabek, and a small part of Kalimantan, Sulawesi, Bali, Nusa Tenggara, and Papua. Areas that are prone to hydrometeorological disasters such inundation, floods, landslides, and flash floods need to be watched out for. Science aspect. Number 1. Biology. High rainfall due to La Nina will cause flooding. Floods will be bad for living things in the environment around the floods. Animals and plants as well as humans will be badly affected. Animals will find it difficult to live in their habitats. Plants will die from flooding, especially plants that become human livelihoods such as rice and crop and other plants. Floods will also cause germs of disease for the community and threaten public health. Number 2. Physics. The Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysics Agency cite the La Nina phenomenon has the potential to increase the amount of rainfall in most parts of Indonesia. La Nina is a cycle of cooler seas in the Pacific Equator that affect the global climate system. The incident occurred when the Pacific Ocean and the atmosphere above it changed from a neutral state during several seasons. The La Nina event was associated with convection that was larger than normal over the maritime continent, especially Indonesia. This usually results in higher than average rainfall in most parts of Indonesia and its surroundings. La Nina is not a phenomenon or a storm that occurs in Indonesia or will come to Indonesia. La Nina is a phase of continuous cooling in the same areas. The main impact of the La Nina phenomenon to the weather or climate in Indonesia is increased rainfall. However, different topographical conditions cause the impact of La Nina to be not uniform throughout the region. Based on scientific studies, the impact of La Nina in the form of increased rainfall occurs especially in the central and eastern part of Indonesia. Number 3. Chemistry. The La Nina phenomenon is grouped based on the anomalous value of sea surface temperature. SST is as follows. Number 1. Weak La Nina, which is determined if SST is smaller than -0.5 and lasts a minimum of 3 months consecutive. Number 2. Medium La Nina, which is determined if the SST is between 0.5 to -1 and lasts for at least 3 consecutive months. Number 3. Strong La Nina, which is determined if SST is greater of -1 and lasts for at least 3 consecutive months.